Alexis, we have an update from court. So Brian Steele, Sean Combs' defense counsel, one of many, is obviously cross-examining Mia. Says, in these notes, did you raise sexual abuse to the prosecutors? There's an objection of improper refreshment. It's overruled. Did you raise it in January 2024? Definitely not in the first meeting. Does that hurt her credibility? Because again, they're saying there's no evidence of this, right? You didn't put it in your text messages. You didn't tell anybody you were sexually abused. You didn't tell Cassandra Ventura, your close friend, who allegedly was engaged in similar abuse, right? You didn't raise it to Cassandra Ventura. You didn't raise it in your first meeting. Does this go to her credibility, or has our understanding of sexual abuse and victims and their behavior changed where this is not so strange?
Under the circumstances, Jesse, I think at that point in the interviews and stuff, that maybe in the first interview, it would be reasonable that it would have been raised. Because I think that her not putting it in her notes, her behavior with regard to the videos and the text message to Diddy, I think those go along with someone that had been battered or sexually assaulted. That doesn't really, but why she didn't raise it up later when all these allegations were already flying around, it does raise a little question to me. The fact that she filed just for the employment issues in the civil case, that doesn't cause me as much concern because, an attorney would probably have said to her, that's going to be easier because really keeping the documents for employment issues is on the employer and not on her. So I understand that strategy, but this, I think the jury is going to say, well, why is it now you're raising it up? And we can understand why you were continuing communication with Diddy, but now why don't we have this? It's cumulative. It really is cumulative.